Alexa, what is XYO?
Here's something I found on Crunchbase. XYO is a decentralized crypto location oracle network aiming to provide accurate location data from cars to smartphones. They are located in San Diego, California.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech. Today on the XYO show, we're going to go over some updates to the company. So we're going to talk about where geoclaiming's at. We're going to talk about the new XYO Network App 3.0 that's going to be coming out. We're going to talk about the referral program. And then we're also going to talk about some updated tools on the website that I don't think a lot of people know about. Lastly, we're going to talk about where I stand with XYO, what my plan is going forward, and make sure you stick around for the end of the video, because I'm going to talk about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing once I hit 1,000 subscribers and how you can win a free geo mining kit. Once again, my name's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and you're watching the XYO show. Okay, so first things first, geoclaiming has come such a long way. This past week, I'll show you here, I actually started with investing on 2 different squares, and I invested 105 tokens per square. So 210 total, and I almost quadrupled my investment. In total, I got back almost 800 XYO tokens. So geoclaiming has come a very long way. I also have the Coin Pro membership at the time. That obviously has something to do with it. Having Coin Pro it blocks you from having to pay the geoclaiming fees, and it also gives you a boost on geoclaiming, which is something that they've added just recently. So it's come a really long way, and geoclaiming is actually really on point right now. Also, XYO Network 3.0 is coming out soon. Now, Ari hasn't given us too much information on this as far as what's going to be featured in it, how that's going to play into how we mine and the different things like that. But what I suspect is that the bridge is going to come into a much bigger play once this gets released. So you can see here, they're going to be releasing the XYO Network 3.0, and then later on, they're going to release it even further. Basically, what they're doing right now is they're building the foundation for the smart contracts, which, if you haven't heard about what those are, basically the whole purpose of having sentinels is because you're going around and collecting all of this geo data, getting bound witnesses. If you don't know what a bound witness is, you can check out episode 1 because that explains what bound witnesses are in detail. Basically, this is setting the foundation for all of these sentinels to get bound witnesses, upload them through your bridge to an archivist, and then that essentially can create the smart contracts from these companies that want the data of those bound witnesses. And therefore, they will pay you in XYO tokens for that data, which is nice because that means that you won't have to be in the Coin app going on it constantly over and over, draining your battery, and it'll kind of just be a little bit on autopilot for you having the sentinels and going out in the world, which is honestly why I invested in XYO in the first place. The Coin platform has come so far, and as far as features and abilities, like I said, geoclaiming has gotten much better. Now they've also added a referral program. So basically, if you refer people, you get XYO tokens based on what they mine. Really awesome feature. That's actually similar to the Pi Network and Electroneum if you've watched any of those reviews that I've done on those. Another really awesome thing about Coin that they've been doing is they've been updating the features on the website. So basically, if you go to coinapp.co and you sign into your account, I'll show you here, you can look at all of your geo claims, you can look at all of your geo drops, your geo mines. So you can look at your mining statistics in way more detail than you ever could in the past, which is great because it gives you a base point to see how much you've mined, and that way you can start to gauge whether or not Coin Plus or Coin Pro or even the Geohacker bundle are right for you. So as you can see, I average about 100 tokens per day. as of lately. And that's because I haven't had as much time to mine as I would have liked. And then you can also see here on my road trip, which I will be posting a video of that later this week, about how the road trip went and how you can maximize how much you get from mining XYO. You can see here on the road trip, I actually got 10,000 tokens per trip. We were on the road for roughly 22 hours each way, and I mined over 10,000 tokens each time. So it was a pretty big success. And it's nice because I can go on the website and I can see these features now, exactly the day, how much I mined, and it's just a really nice feature. Also, I have some super top secret news. The password is hit the like button and that notification bell if you want to see more videos every time I come out with them. Anyway, for those of you who don't know, the reason I always ask you to hit the like button is because the YouTube algorithm loves it when people hit the like button, and so that basically helps my videos go in front of a larger audience. With that out of the way, last but not least, let's get into the nitty-gritty. I actually canceled my GeoHacker bundle, and I was very hesitant to do it. I also canceled my Coin Pro membership. So now I'm just going to be a basic Coin subscriber, and I'll tell you the reason why. With how much XYO has dropped in price compared to how much I was able to mine, it just didn't make sense for me. So if you're a person who's out there and mining a considerable amount, Coin Plus or Coin Pro is going to be of great value to you. And you can check out some of my older videos on that, the type of value that you can bring in. But for me, I wasn't seeing the $35 value coming in for me. Likewise with the GeoHacker bundle, I mentioned this before, but after the 3 months, it was kind of silly to continue it. So I'm not doing that anymore. What I'm considering doing, and probably will end up doing, is investing that by buying XYO tokens instead of doing the coin membership or the GeoHacker bundle. And that way, I actually think that is going to help support the company more because the value of the token will go up as the volume goes up and as I buy more. So basically, investing at the current price, XYO just went over 0.006 of a dollar, which basically if I spend that $35 into tokens each month, that'll be around 50 to 60,000 tokens. One other good thing that I forgot to mention that's been going on is we finally are seeing a little bit of a rise in the price. As far as a technical analysis, it has to get over 0.008 of a dollar to really start seeing an uptrend. But either way, I think the technology is going to be the big basis for the price. So once we start hitting the bridge use and the smart contract, that's when we're going to start seeing the price go up a considerable amount. All right, and last but not least, as most of you know, I have been talking about this giveaway that I'm going to do as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be using a platform called Gleam, and basically I'll make a video so that you don't have to go looking around for it. In that video, there will be a link in the description, and I'll outline this all in that video, of how you can enter. So there will be a couple ways to do it. The main way to enter is going to be just doing something nice for somebody. And on that video, what you'll do is you'll just say the nice thing that you did in the comment. Gleam is also going to give you extra ways that you can enter the competition. And the winner is going to get an XYO Geo Mining Kit. Now, this is a mining kit that I bought with my own money. And as most of you know, with only 1,000 subscribers, I actually don't make any money off of YouTube. So really, I just want to say thank you because this is something that I've really wanted to do. And it's exciting to see the community that we've built here and, just really building something that's going to help the world in a lot of different ways. So how can you prepare for this giveaway? The easiest way to do it is to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell because that's going to notify you as soon as the competition starts because it'll tell you when I post a new video. And I'll make the video title something obvious like giveaway competition or something easy that you can pick out and you don't have to be wondering, oh, did the video come out or not? Anyway, so those are all the updates where I stand with XYO and also the info about the giveaway. So stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you next time on the XYO show. Peace out, everybody.